Alright, now we're out here on the Ford Escape. What we're going to do is we're going to be installing a new start switch here. Push button start. It's like that. We got an old switch on here already. Pretty much how this works is it pulls out to start it, push back in. So we're going to do it with that so it can be straight push button. So what we're going to do here is, of course, just loosen it up. Take this nut off. This piece, it comes right off. And the only thing that's going to be holding it is this washer here. Like that. Boom. This is going to come out. Well, we got to finagle this out. We'll press it out. Do the back end. Alright, so we got the old switch out. Exposed. New switch. Big boy drill for the new switch hole. Alright, so he's got the Phillips going into the switch now, and all we're going to do is thread in both sides, tape them off so we don't have any no wires touching ground back there, sparking stuff up. Alright, a little tape is going on so we can test out the switch. Alright, so we're going to test the switch real quick. Turn to the accessory. Let's go ahead and hit the switch. Yes, sir. Push button. Okay. We'll go ahead and finish this up. Install the switch in our new hole right here. Button it up. And so we're gonna.
Oh, that's plastic. Okay.
We're gonna fish it back in through there. We're gonna get this to come out this hole over here. Alrighty. So this is what we're looking like right here. We'll go ahead, put our key in the ignition over here. Turn it, accessory, all the way on. See, it doesn't work like that. But tell you what, it'll work with our push button. Just like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Check this out, bro.
Yeah, make sure you get at us.